Yes. A member of the press. Our brothers from the 19th states met today, and the purpose was to further reinforce what we said 2 days ago about what was made in the media that, some 2 candidates have been appointed by Northern elders as Northern elders, or Northern Nigeria, consensus candidates. And we issued a press statement 2 days ago that, we do not believe in that. And today we are meeting to further discuss, and we discussed, and here's our communique, which I'm going to read to you now. Communique of the meeting of the 19 northern states and the FCT of key stakeholders of the PDP held at Abuja on April 25th, 2022. It goes this way. We would like to state from the onset that there is nothing called the Northern PDP. Our coming together as key stakeholders from the northern states is only for the purpose of debunking any notion or impression which might have been created by Professor Ango Abdullahi's media statement about Northern Elders Forum having shortlisted consensus PDP candidates. The People's Democratic Party, as conceived by its founding fathers, and remains the foremost national political platform, wherein the democratic aspiration of its team members can be actualized, devoid of any sectional consideration. Our party is neither northern or southern, but a Nigerian. We hereby note that the Northern Elders Forum has, through its secretary, Dr. Hakim Baba Ahmed, disassociated itself from Professor Ango's media statement. They made it very clear that it is Ango's personal opinion. The aspirants have informed us that they are discussing among themselves. They are consulting other senior citizens in order to create a better understanding and unity among themselves. Their ultimate objective is to build a national consensus that will produce a national candidate for the party. We urge them to keep up with this commendable effort. Our meeting today is to reinforce the press release issued on 23rd, 4th, 22 by Governor Lamido. We maintain that our aspirants are qualified to occupy the Nigerian presidency under the banner and under the PDP banner, and we shall continue to support, promote, and campaign and win the presidency by the candidate produced by a national convention scheduled for 28th May to 29th May 2022. We appeal to all aspirants to be more temperate in their utterances and work to promote harmony and better understanding within the PDP family. We also want to assure all PDP members, and indeed all Nigerians, that we are aware of your pains, prayers, expectations, and hope to be rescued. Your abiding faith in PDP shall set us free in 2023. By Almighty Allah's power, we will not fail Nigerians. Thank you very much. No, continue. I said, if possible. I said, if possible. Okay?
This is a meeting of eminent leaders of the PDP, leaders from the north and the south towards.
They came to us and saying, reach out to your colleague in the south. And I think they went to Rivers, met Wike, went to met Atiku, and met other, aspirants. So then they will be working as a Nigerian aspirant in PDP, not northern or southern. That is the forum. That's what. We're meeting for our convention, like I said, put the Nigerian candidate for the party. Whom I'm sure you're going to support. I'm sure you support. Wouldn't you? With Obasanjo, others with him also. We are praying and hoping that, as a family, we will come to the position where we fail. As a family, we'll go to the convention, and whoever emerges is our own family, is our own. We'll support him, we'll promote him, and we'll be there in the village, inshallah, in 2023.
And let me add that even if a consensus candidate has emerged, he must be affirmed at the convention ground by law.
You are aging.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.